how to create a DIY home improvement store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform that simplifies the creating of your online store and the theme designing of the online store. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can create your account in the platform. So just open a new window and type Shopify, then click on the first link, and then again click on the first link and give it a few seconds to load. And here click on start free trial, then enter your email in order to create your account. And after creating your account, you will have 3 days free trial. Then you can proceed and pay $1 per month for the first 3 months. So this will be your dashboard, guys. This is where you can control everything about your online store. And this is in your left, you will have everything that you will need in order to set up this online store of yours. So here you have the home, you have the orders. This is where you can see all of your orders. You can see your total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time. You can see your products. Here you can see the products by sell-through rate, and you can create new products by clicking on the add product button. And wait for it to load. Here you can enter the title of the product and the description, the media, the pricing. Then you can click on save to save the product. I'm going to discard now. I don't want to create a product right now. And then we have the online store. This is where you can improve the theme and the look of your store. So let's see first how does it look like right now. So click on view your store. Let's close, click again. So this is our store and this is how it looks like right now. So here by scrolling down, you will see how it looks like. And let's close this one. And here by scrolling down, you will see the theme that you're using. Its name is Craft. This is the theme we're using right now. And by scrolling down, you will see the other themes. So here you can explore more themes. Click on visit the theme store. Let's give it a few seconds to load. And here, as you can see, we have 174 themes. And most of them are paid themes. As you can see, borders, motion, those are all paid themes. But we have some free themes. So here, filter by free in order to see the free themes. So here, today, we're trying to create a DIY home improvement store. So let's see if we can find a theme that is related to that niche to make things easier when creating our store. So here we have Sense, it's about skincare. Refresh, about hair products. This one is about surfing boards. Down, we have Origin, Spotlight. And we have Craft. It's the same theme that we have installed in our store. So I will just show you how you can install it. Click on the theme that you'd like to install. And first, before installing it, click on view demo store to see how it looks like. So here, this is the theme and this is how it looks like. As you can see, sustainably crafted goods to elevate your everyday. So this is how it looks like. If you're interested in installing it, you can just click on try theme. Then it will be added to your theme library. Then you will just need to click on publish in order to make it your current theme. So after installing the theme and publishing it to making it your current theme, click on customize to start changing how it looks like. So here, the thing I like about this platform is that it's very easy to change the theme and it's very easy to change the design of the online store. So here you will just need to click on whatever you would like to change, and then you will be able to change it. So for example, if you want to change the announcement bar, you will just need to click on it, and in your left you will be able to change everything about it. So here you can change the color, or you can turn this option on. For example, I'm going to turn it on, then I'm going to make it 4 seconds, then go back and change what's written inside the announcement bar. I'm going to go with 50% off today only, for example. Then I'm going to add another announcement. So here let's go with free shipping worldwide, like that. And that's it. Right now we have set these announcements. Then let's go back and let's head to the header and let's change it as well. So here just click on the header, and here let's change it to the middle left to save some extra space, like that. And then go to the theme settings, click on logo, and here click on select image to upload your logo. And if you haven't created one yet, you can just open a new window and type canva.com, which is this one. In this website you will find a lot of logo examples. You will just need to take that logo, make some changes to it, and then you will have your logo ready to use. So after you upload your logo, take it again and change the sizes of it, change it to small sizes, then upload it again to be your fav icon image. And the fav icon image is the one that you will have in here. And here you can play with the logo width. So guys, I think with the idea with the platform, it's very easy to work on it. It's very easy to design your theme or your online store. Just make sure when you're done with making the changes that you want to make sure to click on save to save your work and to not have it missing or something like that. And here if you want to change the pages that you work on, so now we're working on the home page. If you want to work on the products page, you can click on it, but now we don't have any products. If you want to work on, for example, the collections page, you can also work on them as well. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.